The AI revolution, how it's changing everything and how to get ahead. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's transforming the way we work. From automating repetitive tasks to generating new job opportunities, AI is reshaping every industry. Whether you're an employee, entrepreneur, or business leader, understanding AI's impact is crucial for staying ahead. In this video, we'll break down how AI is changing work, what skills you need to thrive, and how to prepare for an AI-driven future. AI isn't just about robots taking over factories, it's a powerful force driving innovation across industries. Healthcare, AI diagnoses diseases, analyzes medical scans, and even predicts outbreaks faster than human doctors. Finance AI automates fraud detection, risk analysis, and personalized financial planning. Manufacturing AI-driven robotics enhance efficiency, reduce errors, and optimize supply chains. Marketing and customer service AI-powered chatbots, predictive analytics, and personalized recommendations revolutionize customer experiences. But here's the key: AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing tasks. The people who learn to work with AI will thrive, while those who ignore it will struggle to keep up. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the workplace, helping businesses and workers boost productivity. Automate time-consuming tasks like scheduling, data entry, and reporting. Streamline processes. AI enhances decision-making, optimizes logistics, and improves efficiency. Create new roles. AI is driving demand for machine learning engineers, AI ethics consultants, automation specialists, and more. To take advantage of AI's potential, you need to shift your mindset from fearing AI to leveraging it as a tool for success. AI presents significant challenges, including job displacement. Automation is replacing repetitive jobs, forcing workers to adapt. Bias and ethics are also major concerns. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns are another issue. AI-driven surveillance and data tracking raise questions about security and consent. The key to overcoming these challenges is preparation, understanding how AI works, upskilling to stay relevant, and advocating for responsible AI development. AI isn't just a tool, it's a career accelerator. Companies are actively seeking professionals who can understand data science. AI runs on data, and learning how to analyze, interpret, and apply data is critical. Leveraging machine learning is also crucial. Understanding basic ML concepts can give you a competitive edge, even if you're not a programmer. Mastering AI ethics is equally important. As AI adoption grows, businesses need experts to ensure fair, transparent, and responsible AI practices. Lifelong learning is no longer optional. It's the key to staying ahead in an AI-driven world. While AI is powerful, human skills remain essential. The future of work will be about collaboration, not replacement. AI can analyze data, but it can't replicate creativity. AI generates content, but it lacks human intuition and originality. Critical thinking is another area where AI falls short. AI processes information, but it can't evaluate context or make ethical decisions. Emotional intelligence is something AI can mimic, but it doesn't truly understand emotions or build relationships. Workers who can blend AI expertise with human-centric skills will become irreplaceable assets in any industry. AI is evolving rapidly, and staying informed is critical. Here's how to future-proof your career. Embrace lifelong learning. Take online AI courses, attend workshops, and stay updated on AI trends. Develop AI-compatible skills. Focus on creativity, problem-solving, and communication. Engage in ethical AI discussions. Understand AI's impact on society, and advocate for responsible AI development. The future of work isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans and AI working together to create a more efficient, innovative, and sustainable world. AI isn't just changing everything, it's changing how we work, compete, and innovate. If you want to stay ahead, start learning AI today. Drop a comment below with AI Future. If you want my top resources for mastering AI skills, subscribe for more insights, and let's shape the future together.